What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We're here in Nevada, and I'm here with my cousin. I think it's like her first time mountain biking, but she used to BMX, so I think she'll be okay. We're in Blue Diamond. This is called the Landmine Loop. I'm not really sure how long this is, but I think it's like 8 miles long. I'm not really entirely sure again, but we're just gonna go nice and slow here with my cousin. Alright, watch a little bit of a downhill here, a little bit, nice and slow. Yeah, don't be afraid of it. Alright, ring the bell if you need me. Have fun. Yeah, so far it's nice and flowy. And again, it's her first time. I did a little bit of a 10-minute trial with her at the park. The bike is a little bit big for her. She has the Giant Trance medium frame. And she's 50 years old, but I'm just happy she's doing this. Oh. Control. Don't go too fast. Don't be afraid to stand up and control. She has my BBSHD Giant Trance, and I actually have my BBSO2. Alright, stop the Chris. Alright, we have a little bit of a downhill portion. Did you get a good feel of the bike a little bit? Alright, so yeah, this goes a little bit down. You can take it slow, and it looks like that's the easier way route too, versus that way. We're gonna go this way, okay? You want me to show you first? You could go slow as you can, and once you're there, you could see it's a little bit rocky, so you just be careful sliding out a little bit, and then just start throttling as soon as your bike is turned. So you could just go slow. Brakes on both sides, then turn. Nice easy turn, and then throttle. You could walk it too. It gets a little bit of exposure there. That's good. Safer to walk. But this is our steed today. Both Luna Wolf batteries. Maybe that might be the hardest. Because it looks like it's just straight away. We'll see. She's 50 years old, and she hasn't really mountain biked. Good? Doing good? Good. Good, throttle. Yeah, good try. So, what you did wrong was you didn't throttle until late. So, you already want the momentum with you. Next time, carry the momentum with you. Don't brake too much, you know what I mean? But you did good. Are you having fun? This is kind of considered easy. Do you want to continue, or you okay continuing? Alright, just making sure. Yeah, but also your position, so that, like, it just takes a little confidence. Like, these little rocks, don't let it bother you, because the bike will go over it. Okay? That's what my dad's fault. He didn't have confidence in the bike. And that's why he broke every time there's a rock. And that's what ultimately made him fall. He said it was a rock in front of him. You have more balance if you're just throttling. Look at me, okay? I'm just throttling. That's a good try. You're doing good. Are you hurt? Okay, but you're okay. Your shoes just fell off. Yeah. Yep. You're doing good. The bike's a little bit big for you, but... So, the positioning, so like, you know how you're still sitting down? You're sitting down because you're not confident, right? I want you to try to be in the level position, and then you're just balancing, really, and then you're just throttling. Once you have that mastered, like, these things will be easy for you. And then, obviously, when you see a hill, it's like you're driving your car. You're going to press the gas a little more, right? And you want to do it ahead of time, because you need the momentum to balance, right? Like, a lot of people gas it only when they, on the last second, when it'll be too late by then. You know what I mean? So, I mean, it looks like it's getting easier. But you're doing okay?
No more downhills?
You're learning. Well, this is... I can't promise you no more downhill. I've never been here. Ah, one of the plants just stabbed me. Okay, your position. Uh-oh. Are you okay? Careful. Yeah, but you see how it doesn't hurt? Like, if you fell on pavement, that would have hurt, right? Here we go. I'm gonna let my cousin, Chris, go a little bit. Yep. Just throttle. See, you're off balance. Let's let the rider come through. You're off balance because, again, you with your legs, you're not balanced. You're not standing on it. That's why your balance is off. Because one of your leg is lower than the other. Your feet has to be balanced. All right, but you're doing good. Throttle or pedal? There you go. Good. Good. Good job. Good. Yeah, look ahead. Good. Good job to Chris. There you go. All right, don't worry about it. Attack the hill. Don't brake. Yeah. There you go. All right, watch the turns a little bit. So when you brake gently. There you go. Yeah, take anyway. I really don't know where we're at. Just keep exploring. We're having fun. Yeah, it's a little sandy, but you're okay. You're good. The thing with sitting is you're absorbing all the bumps versus, you know, when you're going downhill, it should be up. Say, where are you driving? You were doing good for like 10 minutes and then you drive into the plant. Alright, keep your momentum. Good. That's a better position. That's what I like there. Keep your feet leveled. Oh, you hit a rock. Oh, you're doing good. Doing better. Huh? No. This is what off-roading means. No, and the loop, I think the loop goes like this actually, around this mountain. But we can always go back if you wanna, if you... We'll just see what's behind this bend. Yeah. Whew. This Landmine Loop. I guess it's not too much for beginners, but... Whew. Let's use this. Thank you, thank you. I would say it's a beginner / intermediate. My cousin only has experience riding BMXs, and she hasn't ridden in over 4 years, I think she said. And that BBSHD motor she has, it is pretty jerky. Yeah, but so far this is nice to me. It's nice and easy. Good job. Remember, a finger on the brake. And relax. Relax your arms. Just let it go with the flow. Good, that's a good position. See, that's perfect. Nice, Chris. She's like saying, "Can we bike by the highway where the main road is?" I'm like, "No, I didn't drive 4.5 hours and bring my mountain bike so I can put it on pavement." No way, Jose. It is windy and chilly though. It's like winter weather pretty much. It is Black Friday today. We're always biking around Black Friday. Nice, Chris. Good job. Yeah, you're a fast learner. Thankfully, it's getting easier. Oh. Yeah, you okay? You see how it doesn't hurt? When you fall on the pavement, that hurts. Yeah, thank you for that. You did avoid it. You're doing good. Are you having fun? Okay, that's the main thing. Main thing is you're having fun. And if you ever want to go back, we'll go back. But I just want to see how far the loop, like, we'll stop at when it starts to bend around the mountain, and then I'll look at how many miles it is on the map. You're doing a wheelie. Ate Chris, are you okay? You did a wheelie. Are you okay? You punched it. You punched your throttle. I saw your bike do a wheelie for a minute there. Okay, let me put it back. All right, we're heading towards sun in our face direction now. So I think we're making some kind of progress. Are these wild donkeys? Oh wow, actually there's 6 of them. Actually, there's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Whew. We're actually like almost 3 miles in, and I see that we're all like 50% done with the Landmine Loop. I'll let my Atticus lead. Looks like it's generally easy from here on out on the backside of the mountain. Hopefully, we'll see. Alright, we were saying we haven't seen any wildlife, but I guess we saw 8 donkeys so far. Alright. You getting the hang of it? Alright. Good. Yeah, keep your momentum. Yeah, don't lose your momentum. Otherwise you'll fall. Oh, we might have to walk this part. Yeah. I'm thinking going the other way of the loop, I think might be easier, you know? Like, because it's easy to go down this, but to go up it is something else. Like, so far we've met people that are going against us, you know what I mean? So I think next time we go on the other side, I'll help you. I just need to get this bike first. You could jump that one, Tigris. Oops. So something like that, that's a jump. That was fun. If you had enough speed. Some parts are techie, just a little bit. A good challenge for beginners. You know, just take it easy. Oh, really rocky. Yeah, take it easy. I think the left line is easier, Tigris. Right here. You see that left line? Yep, some rock garden. So you see the hill? The hill coming up, you want to use momentum.